Hello, this is Juana Hudson. Thank you for stopping by. I'm here to share with you another journal that I've made. And so we will get started. She's all in white. She measures approximately 6 3/4 inches wide by 9 inches tall. I've done this one in all white, and I just added this dome scenery piece here just to bring a touch of color to the front of her. I covered the whole thing in this is like a jacquard fabric, and I did the spine with this lace here. This is a lace applique to which I added that dome in the center, and I added a button, rose button here, and up here there's a little ribbon piece on the top of the dome. This is a bridal applique that I added to the front. It's all sequin, you can see the little sparkles, and it's also beaded. On the front here, there's a couple of dangles that I added. This one is a rhinestone butterfly. This one I made with just one of those clear beads and then a pearl bead. And then this is a little heart charm. Now, how we get into this book is that I added an elastic to the applique, and that way we can keep it closed. So here we go. There's a couple of laces here, embroidered laces, if I can get it open. Oh, there we go. Yeah. There's one lace, and here's the other one. And we open her up. Here's a eyelet pocket on the front. I made a tag. This is a large tag on which you can journal on. In here, this is a large clear tag that you can put behind your page when you're gonna journal, when you're gonna write. That way you don't make a hole in your page or have difficulty writing. So we'll just put this tag back in here. This one. And here is some braille paper. This is a Battenberg doily. Some dotted paper. Here is a little bag, a little sack, I should say, and in it I made a tag to match it matches the pocket, the fabric on the pocket there. Okay, so put that back in. We have a dotted paper. We have lined paper, tracing paper, which is edged in lace, and here's a pearl trim dangle here. Over here, it's a lace covered page, and inside is this little booklet thing that I made, which gives you more journaling space. And we'll just stick that back in there. And we turn the page, and plain writing paper with a writing applique on there. And more papers. Another glassine bag with a little booklet I made for more writing space, and I layered applique flower on top of the applique piece, and I held it together with a brad. So you can add more paper, take out paper, whatever you wish to do with that. And we're back to more pages to journal on. This is a little lace tab I made here. More pages to journal on. This is a paper doily. Another page edged in lace with another little dangle. More pages. Applique. And this is the center of the signature, which is a butterfly that you can color on if you so wish. Here I added some beads to the strings, the tie strings. It's etched in lace. This page is I used the applique, I cut it out and made a tab for this page. And this page again is edged in lace. Here's the other side of that paper doily. More writing pages with lace tab. Here's the other side of that glassine bag, and I just made a little envelope. You can put a little something in there if you wish. And edged in lace. More paper. With a rose applique. And dot paper, edged in lace. The other side of the Battenberg doily. The other side of the Braille paper. And then we come to the back pocket, which matches the front pocket. And here is another card that you can journal on. And the back page, same lace treatment as the front. And there she is. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.